Here's 5 signs that you're healthy. Number 1, your urine color should be like the top one, like this. Now, if your urine color is anything from 3 below, you're not well hydrated. You need to drink more water, okay? 2 on the list is your poo. How is your poo? If your poo is anything more than number 4 or less, it's not a good sign. Your poo should be number 4. Now, if it's 1, 2, or 3, that you're very constipated and not very well hydrated, or it could be also a sign of some sort of inflammation going on in your gut. And if you're number 5 through to 7, chances that you have some sort of infection going on, some sort of inflammatory disorder going on, or you've probably eaten something your body's not reacting well to. So if that's the case for you regularly, seek medical opinion. Number 3 is you heal quite quickly. Now, if you get a cut or a bruise and you don't heal very quickly, or when you have a cut or a wound, your bleeding doesn't stop quite quickly despite you applying pressure, that could be a sign of vitamin deficiency or some sort of malignancy, especially if you bruise easily, or some sort of blood disorder. So if you feel like you're not healing quickly and you're bruising easily, I think get a medical opinion. Another sign that you're very healthy is you don't fall ill quite frequently. Now, if you find you're always getting sick, you're always getting run down by one thing or the other, chances are you're vitamin deficient, your immunity is low, and also something else may be going on. So you need to get a medical opinion if you think that's the case. Finally, another sign that you're healthy is having strong nails, good hair, and strong teeth. Now, with your hair, as long as it's not brittle or breaking off easily, falling off easily, or your nails are not strong, very strong, and it's very brittle and thin and falling off easily, or it's very discolored, or your teeth, you're bleeding easily and you're getting pains, aches and pains, that's a sign that you're not healthy. So get medical help. Let's jump to this point. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below if you got all of them, and if not, let us know as well. And if you'd like a part 2, please leave a comment below. Thanks.